why the old tube bumper was garbage, so we're redesigning it to be fucking dope. You got a beauty bleed done.
Yeah, beauty bleed. This fucking guy wants me to come home now. Alright, since Austin is gone, what is he making you do?
I'm just trying to stay busy, so we're gonna put some gussets in this car.
How do you feel about that?
I feel just fine. It'll be nice and easy. So yeah, pretty much mimicking the front, which you can't see. Yeah, a little bit. If we keep this thing clean for more than a day.
We're going to get some plate for the transmission tunnel. Taking my manifold to get coated and some ceramic coating and some rear tubing for some bash bars. And I think that's all we need to buy as fabrication wise, I guess.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. We'll find something else. Tyler is like the most. Alright, so recap of what we did the past week or so. Come here.
So we made a kind of just a little filler piece here. I thought it would look cool because all this is going to get painted black. So I thought a brushed aluminum filler piece for the jack point would look pretty cool, I guess. We put some polyurethane bushings in this rear subframe. A buddy of mine actually custom made these. These aren't anything you can buy from any stores. He CNC made these, along with putting in rear subframe reinforcement plates from Condor Speed Shop. We also put in some Silver's true rear coilovers. These are actually really nice. These are 4K rear springs, so they're pretty soft. I'm trying to get as much rear grip out of this car as I can. I'm trying to make roughly 850 wheel, so I'm gonna need all of the power I can get. Today we actually got in these Big Duck Club rear, they're not over fenders really, it's like a rear quarter replacement set, in case you like completely destroyed your rear end on these, so that's why we cut it off, so we can rebuild all this. Got a trunk, rear filler piece, and both quarters. These are really high quality, nice stuff. RJ over there at Big Duck Club is a super cool guy. So if you guys have like an E36 or E46 or any BMW really, he sells a bunch of stuff over there. In the next couple days we are gonna get a rear bash bar made in here. If you want to come over here and see how that's gonna go, we have the piece made already, and it only goes to about here. It gives me about a 1.5 feet on each side, but it rests completely against this rear bumper, just so if I do graze a wall or anything like that, these overs can be pushed over without actually bending anything or breaking anything or upsetting the car at all. Because if you have something that's really stiff up against the bumpers or quarters, you hit those and it will try to push the front of the car over. I'm trying to eliminate that as much as I can, because last thing you want to do is wall tap a wall and then destroy that back end of your car and the front end of your car. So we did that. We added these gussets here. Nick made these for me. I just think they look cool. So also getting all of this, the first time I built this car, I never took out all of the sound deadening in it, and for FD rules you have to have all of that out, so we're doing that. Josh is actually getting dry ice for it right now so we can finish doing that. It's kind of a pain in the ass, partly why I never did it the first time. We cut these front wheel wells out because we're planning on doing a tube front, but we don't know exactly where everything is going to go. So we're going to paint at least everything from here back, get the engine set in it, mock up the radiator, well not the radiator, the intercooler, and all its piping, because I got a forward-facing intake manifold coming for it. So everything's changed. We don't know where any of that's going to go. So yeah, I think that's about it. I think that's all we did. So.